In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to set up both high-level and low-level boards in Monday.com and connect them together for a streamlined workflow. By the end, you'll be able to organize your projects with a clear eye on both the big picture and all the nitty-gritty details. This setup is a game changer, whether you're managing a team or tracking complex projects on your own. Let's dive right in, starting with creating your boards. First, hit that plus button in Monday.com and select New Board. For your high-level board, give it a name that reflects its purpose. Something broad like Projects or Overview. This is where you'll monitor everything at a glance. Think of it as your control tower, giving you visibility over your active projects so nothing slips through the cracks. Next, let's make a low-level board. Again, click the plus button and select New Board. Here, you'll want to choose a name that's specific to its function. Maybe Tasks, Team To-Dos, or Project Number 1. If you're overseeing several projects, you'll create a separate board for each one. But here's a friendly tip. Build out one low-level board completely first, setting up all your columns, structure, and templates before duplicating it for the others. This helps avoid tedious repetition and ensures consistent organization across your workspace. Now it's time to connect those boards, so information flows seamlessly between them. On your high-level board, add a new column. Choose Connect Boards. This feature allows you to link your detailed low-level boards right to your big picture view. Select the low-level board you want to connect, and make sure to enable two-way sync. Why is this crucial? It lets updates travel both directions. When you make a change on either board, it reflects seamlessly. So your overview is always current and your detailed logs are never out of sync. If you've already got items in your low-level board you want to link up, don't worry, you can do that manually. Just select all those items on the low-level board and connect them to the relevant item on the high-level board. Sometimes, especially if you're migrating existing tasks, this step might take a few moments, but that little extra time pays off with a super organized system. To make connections even smoother, let's set up a bit of automation. On your low-level board, look for those handy three dots and click Item Default Values. Here, you can set your Connect Boards column to automatically link any new item you create with the high-level board. This means from now on, every new task or sub-project you add will immediately show up in your overview. No extra clicks required. For even more magic, set up an automation. For example, create a rule that says when the project status on your low-level board shifts to a certain value, it automatically connects to the appropriate item up top. Think of automations as your little digital assistants, working behind the scenes to save you time and reduce human error. Finally, let's make sure the information you need is easily visible. On your high-level board, add a mirror column. This lets you reflect or mirror specific data from your low-level boards, like the status of individual tasks or progress bars. It's like looking through a window into the details, right from your summary view, so you never need to flip back and forth or dig for updates. And there you have it. With your board set up, connected, and automated, you'll have a powerful overview, live details, and a lot more breathing room in your day. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like. And if you have any questions about board setup, automations, or anything else, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Monday.com tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.